Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are bringing you a taste of the sunny beaches of Goa with a classic dish Arroz Goan Pulao, which is also known as Goan Pulao. Arroz is simply the Spanish word for rice. This aromatic rice dish is packed with flavors and perfect for any occasion. We are going to infuse the rice with a blend of traditional Goan spices like cardamom, cloves and cinnamon, creating a truly authentic taste. Whether you are a seasoned cook or just starting out, this recipe is easy to follow and deliver incredible results. Get ready to impress your friends and families with this delicious and satisfying meal. We'll be using high quality basmati rice for that perfect fluffy texture. And don't worry, we'll guide you through the entire process, from toasting the spices to creating the perfect pulao. So grab your aprons and let's get cooking. This Arroz Goan Pulao is sure to become a family favorite. Ready to embark on this culinary journey? So now let's begin. So first, in a hot pan, add oil. Add half tablespoon black peppercorns. Add 15 cloves, 2 star anise, 12 green cardamom, 4-inch cinnamon stick, 4 bay leaves, and fry this for few seconds. Then add 3 onions chopped and fry this until the onion is nice and soft. Then add 1 cup frozen green peas and fry this for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then add 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 10 stock cubes, and fry this for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then add 8 cup water and then give this a nice mix. Then add some salt to taste. Add 2 tablespoons ghee, or it is also known as clarified butter. Then give this a nice mix. Then cover it and allow it to boil. Then add 4 cups basmati rice, washed and soaked for about 20 minutes. And then give this a nice mix. Then cover it and cook the rice for about 80%. Then gently mix the rice. As you can see, the rice is cooked about 80%. It is not fully cooked. Make sure you gently mix the rice. Then cover it again and cook it on a low flame until rice is fully cooked. Then give this a nice and gentle mix. Then rest the rice for about 15 minutes and then serve it. And there you have it guys, a fragrant and flavorful Arroz Goan Pulao. This classic Goan rice dish is perfect for any occasion. The blend of aromatic spices and the fluffy rice create a truly satisfying meal. Serve this pulao with your favorite Goan curry or enjoy it on its own. You can also experiment with different vegetables and protein to create your own unique version. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more authentic Goan recipes. And if you try this recipe, be sure to tag me on social media. I'd love to see your creation. If you are new on this channel, then please hit that subscribe and also hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of the new uploads. Do share my recipes with your friends and family so that they also can try these delicious recipes at home. If you try this recipe, you can also comment below and let me know how it is. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.